Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out or sign out from your Gmail account in YouTube application. So first of all, make sure you have internet connection on right here. Then you need to go to your YouTube application here. After that, you need to check that you're already signed in your Gmail here, as you can see. So you need to tap on the right corner here in your profile here, and you will see you're signed in, and my email is here, which is 5700@gmail.com, as you can see. So you need to tap on the right corner here in the arrow button here, and you will see all the Gmail that you have signed in your YouTube here. So I'm just gonna log out from this email here, as you can see, 5700. So you need to go down and tap on the manage account here. So tap on manage account, and you will see what other apps that you're logged in with this email here. So you need to tap on Google here, as you can see. Then you will find all the emails here. So you need to sign out from this email here. As you can see, I have signed in the YouTube application in this email 57000. So I'm going to log out from this email here. So just tap on it. After that, you need to go down. You will have a more option here, or if you have other phone here, you will have a more option in the right corner here or any other side here. So I have more option here in the down here, or you can have the right corner here or up there. So I'm just gonna click on the more option here. Then you need to tap on the remove account here. So this will remove the account from your device here, and also you will log out and or the sign out from your YouTube account here. So just tap on remove account here. Removing this account will delete all its messages, contacts, and other data from phone. So just choose on remove account here, and as you can see, the account is removed now. So if I go back to the YouTube here, so as you can see, I'm logged out from the YouTube here. So there's no account here, so I have to sign in with another email here. So that's it guys, this is how you log out from or sign out from your YouTube application in Android or iOS device. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.